closer. Be still for a moment. Humans often think growth must be loud to matter. They celebrate the tallest buildings, the fastest success, the brightest attention. But here in the forest, the greatest transformations happen quietly. No tree announces the moment it grows. No root demands applause while reaching deeper into the earth. And yet, entire forests are built in silence. Some of you are discouraged because your life does not seem to be moving fast enough. But nature has never rushed wisdom. The strongest trees grow slowly. The deepest roots form underground, where nobody can see them. Do not underestimate seasons where it feels like nothing is happening. Beneath the surface, your spirit may still be growing stronger. Healing is often quiet. Maturity is often quiet. Peace is often quiet. Not every meaningful transformation arrives with noise and recognition. Some growth looks like learning to rest. Some growth looks like setting boundaries. Some growth looks like finally believing you deserve peace. The forest understands something humans forget. What grows slowly often lasts the longest. So breathe deeply. You do not need to race through your becoming. Even the tallest trees on earth once began unseen beneath the soil.